but you give it an hour or so and it turns on and it's just fish is being wiped out.
Fishing on December 1st, tributary to Lake Erie, steelhead fishing. It's below 20 degrees. We've been to one river and nothing. Fish aren't doing anything. It's snowing now. And we're gonna give one more shot. Absolutely freezing. I've never seen eyelets that had 1/8 of an inch of ice on them. The line wouldn't move through it. It's kind of silly, but we're gonna give it one more try.
Careful with the fish. Okay. Good job. Yeah, strip and put the screws on it. We got enough. Now. Yeah. There we go. Nice shot, brother. Release.
All right, let's let him go. Nice, healthy fish.
Cool.
Good job, brother.
Thank you.
Spencer's knocking them dead under the bridge.
To try to get it to shake it. Fresh one? Yeah, nice.
Nice slab of the steelhead.
Nice. Good deal. Nice fresh one. No, that's a different fish. This one's fresh.
Nice.
Nice. 23. Probably.
There you go. Nice.
Nice.
Good?
Catch a bigger one. Nice. Kind of a small.
What's that?
Kind of tiny, good.
No, that's a good one. Yeah, Spencer, this last one was tiny. He goes,
I was kidding.
nice. There we go. Good one. Nice.
Nice. Skunk off.
Good job, brother.
Nice one.